1. Project 2025 Deregulation. Project 2025 advocates for a substantial reduction in federal regulations, aiming to minimize government oversight in areas like environmental protection, healthcare, and education. Shrinking government agencies. A key goal is to reduce the size of federal agencies, which includes cutting workforce numbers, consolidating functions, and eliminating or reforming departments that are seen as inefficient. Strengthening executive power. Project 2025 would expand presidential authority, granting the executive branch greater control over the functions and policies of federal agencies, including those on abortion, gender rights, and education, into alignment with conservative principles. Many civil rights groups argue that the proposed deregulations and agency reductions could weaken protections against discrimination in housing, employment, and education. Cuts to federal healthcare programs or agencies could disproportionately affect minority communities, as these groups often rely on government assistance programs like Medicaid. This shift could lead to increased disparities, as minority-heavy districts may receive less support and funding. Voting rights. With an emphasis on conservative policies, there could be changes to voting rights legislation, which might impact minority communities through restrictive measures like voter ID. Stricter border enforcement. Project 2025 outlines plans for strengthening border security, including expanding physical barriers, deploying more Border Patrol agents, and utilizing advanced technology, which could lead to faster removal of undocumented immigrants and affect mixed-status families. Workforce impacts. Immigrants, especially undocumented workers, make up a significant portion of the U.S. workforce. Stricter immigration policies could lead to labor shortages in industries that rely on immigrant labor, such as agriculture and construction. Impact on Dreamers. DACA recipient Dreamers could face uncertainty, as Project 2025 does not explicitly protect the program, and conservative policies often prioritize tightening eligibility. Economic shifts. With deregulation and a reduction in the federal workforce, Project 2025 could affect the job market, particularly in areas reliant on government contracts and federal employment. Environmental concerns. Environmental protections could be rolled back, potentially affecting air quality, water resources, and public health, which often impacts minority communities in high-pollution areas. Healthcare and social welfare. Reduced funding for social welfare programs may impact low-income families and minority communities who rely on Medicaid, SNAP, and other federal assistance programs. Polarization and social tensions. Project 2025 will deepen divisions, leading to increased social tensions as Americans debate the role of government in their lives and the protection of individuals.